Okay, you guys, so it's time to make this neon unicorn. It is so close to being full grown. Wow, you guys, this is gonna be my first time ever making a neon legendary. I just can't wait to see what people are gonna trade for it. Oh, looks like it's not done. Okay. So we're gonna have to do at least one more thing or two. I don't know. Because I'm not like really used to growing legendaries because I don't have much legendaries, but like, as you guys can see, I do have 4 legendaries, but they're unicorns, and I do have a kangaroo and a turtle in my other accounts. So yeah, that is why I don't have much legendaries. But trust me, you guys, I do have legendaries. I'm gonna go back to having 3 legendaries after this. It's really sad, but it's fine. Oh.
Yes?
You guys, I'm super excited for this. Comment down, pause this video. First of all, pause this video. Then comment down below. Are you excited to see my neon unicorn? It's hungry. I just gave it a hot dog. You must be kidding me! Oh, it needs a shower. Okay, this has to be it. I mean, this has to be it. This has to be it. Please, you guys, please. I am begging. Adopt me. The Adopt Me gods. Please. Adopt me gods. Please. Please adopt me gods. Please. Let this be the last thing for my unicorn to do before it will become a neon. Please adopt me, God. Please adopt me, God. We're gonna go ahead and give it water because get out of my house. Because you know, you guys, we don't want. It needs one more thing, you guys. Adopt me, God, please. Just teleport to me. I'm begging the Adopt Me gods.
Begging the Adopt Me gods.
Adopt me, gods! I trusted you. I need. How much stuff is it gonna need to do, bro? Adopt me, gods. How dare they? Adopt me, gods. Oh, you guys, I'm just telling you, a lot of people name their giraffes, or not giraffes, sorry, elephants Ellie. I also named mine Ellie. It's super cute name, so yeah. I'm not trading any of my unicorns. I don't care what you have to offer. I'm not trading it. I already have a ride elephant. Decline. We're declining. We're declining.
Wait, did you make the neon?
No. Who's at the hospital, really? Because I don't have time to sit here and wait for...
I need to go to the hospital. Oh, wait, I'm not sick yet. Oh.
I don't have time to sit there and just wait for the, you know, the pool party, because I really want to get making this neon, so people will have to trade for it. So, yeah, you guys, comment down below if you're excited, because I'm really excited. I will, like, I don't even know what's going to happen once I, you know, make this. You guys, we're about to make it. We got a full-grown unicorn! We have 4 full... We gotta unfriend you so you don't teleport to me. No, we're gonna have to unfriend my brother because he's like, keeps teleporting to me. It's kind of annoying. You guys, we have 4 full-grown unicorns. Where do you think we're going? We are going
to the cave. You get it.
To the cave. We're gonna get on one of our fly unicorns and head there. I hope Alexis is in the game because she literally helped me. I'm gonna say it's ready in bold letters. It's ready. It's ready. It's ready. Come on, Alexis. Let's go! Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. This is gonna be my first neon legendary. I already see people coming into the cave. Whoa! Oh gosh, my little brother's already here. And I think my older brother just got, yep, there he is. And Alexis should be on her way. I also have another girl. I'm gonna go invite her. I'm ready to make my neon. I'm ready to make my neon. I'm ready to make my neon. Okay, I don't think she's gonna come. I don't know. So we're just gonna go ahead and head there. Hopefully she does come. I don't know. Okay, everybody's here. Let's begin the process. I am so excited. Oh my god, you guys. The last one. We're gonna say last one. Last one. Last one.
Why did you put W-O-N instead of one?
Because we can! Stop ruining the moment!
Well, why did it fall?
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! I have a neon unicorn! Get away!
Quiet.
Yes! Flying right! Oh my gosh! Oh gosh, what should I name it? What should I name it? I think, who was it? Dave Awesome Lady? No. What should I name it?
Bubble gum, sprinkles,
Starburst. Starburst. You guys, we found the name Starburst. I don't know if I really want to, like, keep the name Starburst. No, Keisha, if you're gonna pick it up, then stop. Stop! Why are you trying to ruin the moment for me?
He just wants to pick it up and see what it looks like. You pick it up.
My gosh, you guys.
Listen, I mean, you couldn't. It's cool.
I know, right? It is so cute. Yo, but let's get into the real video. We're gonna go trade this. Yeah, y'all, we're gonna go trade this. JK, we're not going to go trade this, but we're gonna go see what people have to offer. We're gonna go see what people have to offer. You guys, I might even go call my friend on the phone and see if she wants to get into join my game, and maybe we can like play together and I can show her my unicorn. I don't know. I don't know. I really don't know. She's a frost dragon. Oh, let's trade her first. Oh, people are already trading me. What about a fly red neon unicorn? Would you do it? I'm declining. Like I said, you guys, we're trading. Okay, she declined too. We're just seeing what people will offer. So, yeah, we already have that. I think I've traded this girl before. Okay, everybody's like trading me, and I've never like felt this good inside, you know? Because like everybody's like crowding you, trying to trade you. What? She's like, what? I'm gonna say what? What? I said what? What? Oh gosh! What? Ellie? She's asking me what my cool LOL.
Let's see what Casey said.
Oh my gosh. You guys, we have a neon unicorn.
Great.
Whose is that? Let's see if they'll offer. I don't know. I don't really want an Arctic reindeer because I'm planning on getting one if they still have it during Christmas. She's an owl. Would you do it for a neon unicorn? We're gonna ride on my neon unicorn. Oh gosh. You guys. An Arctic reindeer normal? You guys, I don't really know what to name it. I don't really want to name it Starburst because I want something that will glow, you know, because I want something that will glow, you know. So comment down below if you have a name for my unicorn because I want to see everybody's name, and then I'm probably gonna draw and see what name got chosen. So yeah. You guys, everybody's trying to trade me. I didn't really think it was like this intense. I might like turn my trades off. Do you guys think? Everybody's trading me. Everybody's trading me. She's about to give me a fine red owl and a neon bright. I'm recording. Where are you going?
Oh.
Okay.
Have you read anything that we sent?
Yeah.
You feel good about it?
Yeah.
The idea is not to make you feel that feel good.
Daddy, come.
The idea is to remind you what I said before.
Do you see what that is?
It's one person.
A neon unicorn. See how it's glowing?
Yeah. Wow. Nice.
So pretty. I love it. I told myself that whenever I have enough, whenever I get my neon unicorn, I would buy a muscle car for both of us to sit in. So I think we're gonna go see how much money we have, then go buy it. Did anybody This is so pretty. I love it. What should I name it? This is gosh, I'm sorry. So we're gonna add all that up and see what it is. Oh, okay. We don't have enough. What? I thought you said in game. This is insane. I am super happy. I cannot do it without Alexis. Thank you so much, Alexis. I don't know what I would do without you. Thank you. Can anybody give me $200? Caden? Does Nova have $200?
You got 0 because I gave you a roller leg.
Can I stop talking about video? Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed, make sure to subscribe down below. Also, don't forget to go subscribe to Basically Bijou in the description. I'm so excited about this neon unicorn. Remember, you guys, comment down below, what do you think I should name it? Because I don't really know. I don't know. I really don't know. I want a whole bunch of ideas. I was thinking glow stick, starburst, mochi, or candy, or bubblegum. One of those. So comment down below. Bye!